Did you know a man once murdered his wife and baby daughter, then casually drove past their bodies to catch a flight out of the country? In 2006, Neil Entwistle seemed to have it all. The British computer expert had moved to Massachusetts with his beautiful wife Rachel and their 10-month-old daughter Lillian. But behind the perfect family photos, Neil was drowning in debt and secretly visiting escort websites. When the bills piled up and bankruptcy loomed, Neil made a chilling decision. He took his father-in-law's .22 caliber rifle and shot his sleeping wife and baby in their bed. Then he did something that shocked investigators. He calmly drove past their dead bodies, went to the airport, and flew back to England like nothing happened. For days, Rachel and Lillian lay undiscovered until worried neighbors found them. The FBI launched an international manhunt while Neil's mother tried hiding him in her attic. After months of legal battles, British authorities finally sent him back to face justice. Neil got life in prison, but his selfish solution, money problems, had destroyed two families forever.